Typewriter.
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 Excuse me.
Excuse me.
I was looking for a place to put my gum. I meant to throw it away before I came to the interview, but I don't want to bother you.
Yeah, your interview's in the library right here, and I'm the writer. You'd be assisting me.
I'm Tyler.
Hi.
Hi.
Jack.
Hi, Jack.
Hi.
I like your desk.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I mean,
It's not pretty good. It's pretty great. You have toys. You have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I know all of them. I know all of the turtles.
yeah, I have to, you know, think of a life that doesn't closely resemble hell. You know, I'm trying to get published for years. So I have to bring back my inner child. Safe.
I like that, Jack. You got something. You got something going on underneath this job, right?
Yeah.
You bring stuff from home. You got your thinking brain on.
Yeah.
And you come into work and you got little tokens and stuff to remind you that there's a bigger world out there, and maybe your big break could be coming or something.
Yeah, man, there's bigger world coming out there, but you know, if you could make me more positive, that would be really, really, cool.
If I got the job, Jack, I'd probably lift you up to the rafters, and I'm thinking that you'd be A1, and if I could ever cover for you, you could go on, like, I don't know, for the night. You could get a writing agent, or you could maybe you get the New York.
I had an agent.
Sure.
Yeah, it was called Oracle Talent.
Oracle. That's huge.
Never ending riddle, never ending. This is a joke. The joke's on me.
Hey, no, don't put yourself down. I see a lot of promise in you. I see you've got a little aura about you that is glowing, you know?
Oh, you're one of these people?
No. I'm not
Just
I'm not.
saturating me
No, listen.
in positivity.
Jack.
Damn it.
Jack. I am not one of those love and light woo-woo people. I'm not that guy. I'm loosey goosey, you know?
Okay. Well, I live.
I'll raise my voice in the library.
Okay, just this is a private room in a library they give to me, you know, because I donate books to them, and they let me. I can't afford an office, but I need a writing assistant. You know.
Hey, you work at a library. You don't donate books. You go to
You have to remind me that I work in a library. I teach part time too.
Firecracker. You're a firecracker,
Just
Jack.
Tyler, Tyler, I just, sometimes I have a bottle of wine in here and I light a candle. And I forget I'm in a library.
You sipping on something back here sometimes? Hey, I don't have a lot of friends.
Oh,
I'm kind of a shut-in. I don't even get out a lot. Sometimes I have overwhelming anxiety, and sometimes I haven't worked in 6 months. I'm kind of destitute. I'm a piece of shit in my own mind.
don't call me. Now you're speaking my language. You're getting on my level. I really appreciate you going down on my level.
Hey. We're a piece of work, aren't we? We're a piece of work. We have a long way to go until we reach the zenith that we need, right?
That's right. That's right. And you know what? Like, I can't kill myself until I'm published.
Hey,
you know?
listen,
If you haven't been published, you may as well kill yourself.
No. Hey, maybe you got something I can read? I'll read your work.
This is about my father. It's a lot of parallel narratives. And,
No, I'm all about
you
that.
may not understand.
Hey,
it,
I'll
Tyler.
understand that.
My agent didn't understand it in Oracle.
Your agent was a piece of shit.
I know.
Yeah.
And she said that, it's just a great book with no home. What's that supposed to mean?
And I'll read it. And I'm not worth much of nothing, but I'll give you notes on it. How's that?
I mean, what's your literacy, man? You've experienced it. I have really high literacy, and it's really hard to live in a world like this. But you seem awesome. You know, you really.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
Okay.
I don't have the attention span for documentaries. You know? I don't do a lot of much.
Shit, I
So.
go through documentaries in my sleep.
Jesus Christ. We're like yin and yang in the same person at the same time.
Yeah.
Like, I'm the kind of guy that'll fucking hold this piece of gum fucking for like 12 minutes. Right? Like, think about that. That's fucking kind of crazy. Like,
Yeah, it is.
like, why are my fingers so tightly around this little piece of shit gum that I can't just put it somewhere? Right?
Because you're lost, because you're just in deep thought, man. Like I walk around in deep thought. People fucking stare at me all the time.
I wouldn't stare at you because you seem like you got your own thing going. I don't need to look at you when you're doing something, right? That's crazy.
Try a glass of Cabernet, and it's 2 in the afternoon. But you know, I start
For me?
so one.
And I'm on the wagon too.
Oh,
That's crazy.
try that. Try
Cheers.
that.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you. You know, I'm not significant enough to kill myself yet. So I'm just gonna, you know, hopefully you just live, you know, wine to wine, bottle to bottle, substitute teacher, part-time writer, part-time librarian.
You know what I want? I'd like to give this job, get to know you a little better, and show you that you got a lot going on that you don't know. You know? I mean, you just broke like 12 years of sobriety.
You know,
I've said no for years, right?
you know, but you know what, that just
I got
shows-
2 things I'm holding on to now, and one of them fucks my whole life up, right? But with you, I feel safe somehow.
Yeah, you will be.
Hey Jack, wait a minute. Are you
Everybody.
interviewing me or?
Yeah, I'm doing. This is how I do interviews, man. Once I
Oh,
get
shit, we're in it?
once I get my second glass, once I get my, you know, get this Cabernet rolling through my veins, and once it becomes alive in my veins, because bottles of wine are alive.
Oh Jesus! It's like the elixir of the gods, you know. Like there was Greek gods that there was a whole wine god, right?
Yeah.
What was that wine god? You're the smart one. Diogenes.
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 Diogenes. It's
Diogenes?
D-I-O-N.
Spell the whole thing.
Tyler.
Spell the whole thing.
How can I have a writing assistant that doesn't know how to spell
Right.
Diogenes? People are gonna think you're a dumb shit.
Hey, well maybe
I'm
I'm
sorry.
testing you.
I'm sorry.
Maybe I'm
sorry.
testing you. Spell the whole fucking thing. Diongenesn
Or maybe-
period.
You know what? Maybe it was Peloponnesus. Maybe it was Peloponnesus.
Yeah.
That might be the
That
right
sounds
one.
like a colon disease.
Yeah. Well, yeah. This will work. This will keep out with the colon disease.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Hey, you karaoke?
Who would want to hear me sing? You know,
Hey.
a washed-up writer.
It's a personality test. I'd like to know what song you'd sing if you did. It's not even a real question, really. So, what song, Jack, would you
You
sing
really wanna
if you
know?
went to a karaoke night and you had to choose one song?
But you really, this is a song that I sing every night to myself.
Oh, Jesus, this is a deep cut.
Now the time has come along the byway. Oh no, I felt the blow. I did it my way.
Ah, yeah, old Blue
It's
Eye.
not fully rehearsed or
Hey,
anything.
no, the spirit was there, the darkness was there, and I think when he wrote that shit, there was darkness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was, you know, my fan is, you know, I'm a fan of the dark. I keep chocolate cake over there.
Well, you got a chocolate cake?
Yeah, just chocolate.
Jesus
you know.
Christ. I mean, I don't want to push anything, but maybe I'll get a tiny.
Yeah.
Did you make that cake? Maybe I'll take
No,
a
I
taste.
can't make anything but tater tots.
My favorite,
I'm a
my
single
favorite
writer living in a
side time
studio.
snack. Tater tots. You put mustard on those or cheese? I
I
put-
complain a lot of salt.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, I just know when I catch it, that's my mouth, like, it's like a bad taste in my mouth, you know what I mean?
Wait, are you
It's
cooking
like-
them to fruition?
I don't know what fruition is
Fruition
anymore.
is a fully cooked, toasty, a little brown on the top, you know? I mean, fully cooked is what I'm saying, Jack.
Yeah.
So you cook them fully and they still taste mealy in your mouth?
Yeah, they just, you know, food doesn't really taste good, you know, when you're 59.9, it's like, and you're not published, you just eat anything that's in your house, you know, and they're all grainy and gritty, and I'm chewing them, and I feel like J.D. Salinger, you know, and the Catcher in the Rye, that's bad, isn't it?
You have such a mind.
I do.
You got a literary and, you know, like a tactile, and you just have so much going on. I don't know that many people see you for who you are.
Well,
you know?
my ex-wife definitely did. I
Yeah,
mean,
you know why? Because that's why she's your ex, right? Or something crazy happened.
Well, she was with this restaurant owner named Kenneth.
Douchebag.
Yeah.
Kenneth.
Fucking douchebag.
Yeah, fuck that guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I mean, it's 2 years ago now, but still feeling the ripple effects of it, you know.
How long were you married?
7 years.
Jesus, that's long enough to get comfortable with it, right? You got kids?
No, just fuck him up.
Yeah, fuck up kids too.
Yeah.